So many products, they couldn't fit it in their standard box. If you want to see what I got in my Eyescream Beauty box / bag this month, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but today we've got our Eyescream Beauty and we're getting back to basics. So I want to take a moment to welcome anybody new who's tuning in. We do all kinds of stuff like this here, so we hope you decide to stay. And for those returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Eyescream Beauty, $25 a month. You're going to get a palette in every box, an eyeshadow palette in every box. And prices haven't gone up. It includes shipping. It's fantastic. This month there were so many products, they had to put it in that bag. So what did they do? Let's get into it. Now I did use most of the products in here, including the brushes. There was just one brush that I didn't get a chance to use, but I did use everything else in the bag. So the first thing is the Bodega, I'm not sure. It's Beauty Moon Cosmetics times Eyescream Beauty, and this is their Warrior Princess palette. It is named for the Celtic queen who led a revolt against Roman rule in ancient Britain. The palette is organized into 3 quads with 2 mattes, 1 shimmer, 1 duochrome per quad. The colors can be combined to create countless looks for day and night. So what I did, I'm going to show you the palette. I'm going to show you what I used and where I used it. Okay, so here is that palette. And what I did was I started with Legion right here. And I just kind of did that line around like this to kind of outline where I was going to go. Then I took this one right here, Gaius, I'm not really sure how it's pronounced, and I went right in the corner and did a little bit over both sides. And I used this brush to do it. So this is one of the brushes by Beili, B-E-I-L-I. We did get 3 brushes, and this is a $15 value. So I took that brush to do that. Then I took my finger, dabbed it in to Linosia right here, this pink, and put that right on top. And then to come into the corner a little bit more, I wanted to darken that up with this, I'm not even going to try to pronounce these anymore, with this bluish color right here. Then I went over the top up here with this temple color. And then I did right up here with, well, that one's easy, Inhabitants. So starting with this white going down and then this line. Here are the colors. Oh, I did put a base down of this bright pink. And when you have a base like this and then you put a lighter pink over it, it gives you a really gorgeous shimmer. Because that on its own is this right here, but you put this over top this, and it's a much brighter shimmer. So you could certainly keep it without and keep it a lighter color, but I just wanted to show some of the payout. My eyes are a little dark today because this is my second makeup look and I've done my best to get everything off, but oh, it's a mess. So again, here's those other colors. So you can see there are the duochromes, this one right here. This one right here is that inhabitants that look, no, that's the Linoc right here. This is that inhabitants that looks like a green, but as you can see, there's that flip. And then I took the black and I used that as my eyeliner. So I just took an angled, very thin brush and made an eyeliner with that. So here is my look. With some of the colors from this palette. So absolutely gorgeous. The whole box is $25. So right here, I've already made my entire money back. So from this point on, it's all kind of just extra. Next, by Appeal, we have this Sculpt Face palette. These are all creams. So there we go. So we have some concealer, some bronzer, and some either lip or cheek colors. Now, even though this looks dark, rub that in and you can see I used actually this one right here as a bronzer, and it's very, very light. And then I used this right here for my cheeks. So again, very light, even though it looks dark, that just buffs right in for a nice light pink. Now I also put that on my lips. This is a $22 value. And there are two other lip products. So by Appeal, we also have this beautiful lippy. All right, so there it is. And there it is right there on my hand. This is their Ultra Cream lipstick, a $21 value. And the color's not on here, so I'm not really sure what the color name is. And then by Illuminati is a gloss in the color Posh, and that is right there. So that's what I put on my lips. By ZC, all right, came in this box. We have this mascara. Okay, now look at that one. That's for under your eyes, right? How clever is that? That's a $24 value. Now, as far as I know, ZC is a cruelty-free company. I did look that up. I'll have looked up the other companies and told you though. This one has the bunny on the back. So this is cruelty-free. This one also does. So Appeal is also cruelty-free. And then last, we have those 3 brushes. This is a $15 value. So I used this one for my cheeks, this one for my eyes. This one I did not get a chance to use, but these are super nice brushes. $15 for all 3. That's a heck of a price. It does say that they went viral on TikTok for their affordable quality makeup brushes. They chose 3 of their brushes to showcase. The largest is a foundation brush. The medium can be used for concealer or precise contouring. And the smallest brush is a flat shader brush that can be used for precise contouring to smooth or apply eyeshadow to the eyes. So, hey, I got it right. I did use this for blush though, but I can definitely see that as being a good contouring brush as well. All right, that is my Eyescream Beauty box in a bag for the month of January, taking us back to the basics with some gorgeous, gorgeous shades and products. Love everything in here. This is, normally you get 5, but she, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus the brushes, that's 8. Yeah, 8 products. So excellent. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.